Hello, this is Bill Forrest, art instructor, and this is a demonstration of how to put together the components for the GIF file you're going to create. So trace out some letters or just draw them out and then cut up along the contour outlines. Once you have all of your components cut out, you'll be able to use them to create single pictures that are going to be uploaded. The components are made, time to take photographs. Start with a clean sheet of paper, and when you go to photograph it, make sure you frame it very, very tightly, so you don't want the spiral of the notebook or the background of the table to show. You want just the component that you've cut out and placed down there to show within the frame. And then take your pictures. You'll need to make about 14 pictures. Gradually add all of your components and just keep adding and photographing as you add. Now that you have the photographs finished, you're ready to return to the course instructions and complete the project. I hope this helps you to complete the project. This was a demonstration by Bill Forrest, art instructor.